Replace the weak plastic factory bleeder screw in your Duramax with the XDP Aluminum Air Bleeder Screw. The XDP Air Bleeder Screw features a durable aluminum construction, so you don't have to worry about it stripping or breaking like the factory plastic screw. Each bleeder screw features machined threads so you can easily bleed the air from your fuel system. The slotted head also allows you to tighten or loosen your bleeder screw with most aftermarket wrenches. Each bleeder screw comes ready to install with a quality Viton O-ring seal. To find out more about the XDP Aluminum Air Bleeder Screw, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.